Hey there, my friend, fellow trader. It's Will here over at fxace.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So today starts another week in July, and this video I'm going to explain to you a trade setup on the British pound Japanese yen that I've just entered. Now, it is one of the signals I've sent out this week in my signal service, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly why I'm looking at this trade and why it is a really good setup. So you can see I'm actually on my live account here at Vantage, one of my live accounts, and I've just entered a position on this asset. Okay, so as you know, I trade price action, I trade price zone, buy and sell zones, where institutions and banks are most likely to be trading. So this trade is on the British pound CAD. Okay, so as you can see, we'll just zoom in. It's been dropping for the past, well, 3 months pretty hard, especially over the past few weeks from this sell zone here, which was actually a reaction at this area here. Okay, now if you've gone through any of my stuff, you can see this area here was the area that caused kind of this test down here. Price slowly makes its way back up to it and moves back down, and actually this area here was a test of the Brexit drop in 2016. Okay, so you had the Brexit pop. This area here caused this move down here. Price slowly makes its way back up to it here, where we get the reaction just at the start of the zone. Comes back down to test the area that caused the low, the Brexit area. You can see there's other zones down here that the Brexit area, this area tested here, comes back up, and then this new area was formed here on the way back up to test the Brexit area. Okay, so we're on the monthly charts here. Now we're looking for a trade setup. This is a weekly trade over maybe over the next week or 2 weeks max, what we're looking at. Okay, so we're in a monthly area. What I'm looking for now is a weekly area. Okay, and you can see we've dropped right down into the bottom of this weekly area here that caused this high. Okay, it's right down the bottom. We are at extremes. Okay, so I use the RSI at extremes for looking for turning points. Extreme being 80 and 20. I don't look at the 70 and the 30 or nothing in between. Okay, so I'm looking at a price to be down around the 20 or the up at the 80 for a sell trade, or down in the 20 for a buy trade. Okay, and this is on the daily or the 4-hour charts. Okay, so you can see we're in a weekly and we're in a monthly. Okay, and price is extremely oversold here, down below the 20. And this is why I'm liking the pop. Okay, we had a divergence here last week, sorry, last month, more or less at the 30, but down at the 20 is what we're looking at here. If you look at the 4-hour chart, it's also down at the 20. We also had a divergence signal, a double divergence on the MACD and on the RSI at the 20 area in the daily. So this is a really nice trade. Okay, just based on the fact we are at a weekly area here. It's right down the bottom. It might pop down a little bit more just to maybe take out stops, which is what I think I'm doing now. I think it's doing now, and then move back up. Okay, so it's a really nice trade. I've entered at 163,600. Target is, if you can see here, kind of this low here that was taken out on the way back down. So I like the target lows that were taken out on the way down from the move down. Okay, so you can see price, this leg down here takes out these lows, kind of stalls at them, then breaks out. So these are kind of my price targets, and a lot of time these lows will actually match up with Fibonacci retracement areas. This one's not quite, but if you look at the from the pause here, from this leg down here, the start of this swing high here, so we had this swing low, swing high, down to here. This is a nice target at this kind of 50 fib line here also, so it's a nice trade. The target zone is 167,500 or 167. We'll start to look at it to possibly take profit, but it's a nice trade to be getting into this week. So it is, you can see my method while I'm looking at the trade, slowly grinding down to the inside this weekly, inside this monthly area here. So it's a nice trade. Possibly after we get the pop here, this 167, it will move back down, maybe down to test the lower right here at 160. Okay, so it's a really nice setup for this week. Remember, I'm in at 163.60, and the target is around 167 to 167.500 to be getting out of this trade. Okay, so nice trade. You can't take it. Remember, keep your risk low, leverage low, and be sensible with your trading. If you want to sign up to Professional Forex Signal service, you can click the link below, or if you need any questions regarding trading or anything you need answered, just let me know at will@fxace.com. Hope this video helps. That's a buy opportunity on the British pound CAD. So enjoy, have a great week, and happy trading.